Here's how to see your GCash referral code. There are 4 steps. Step number 1 is to open up the GCash app on your smartphone. Then step number 2 is to tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then next up, select Refer a Friend. The final step is that your unique referral code will be displayed. You can choose how you want to share it. You can either copy the code and paste it into messages, emails, or social media posts. You can choose to share it via a GCash link, so you can generate a special link that includes your referral code, and when someone uses this link to sign up, it will be automatically recognized as your referral. Then the final option is to share via a QR code. So you can generate a QR code that others can scan to be directed to the GCash registration page with your referral code pre-filled. So now you know how to see your GCash referral code. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in